progress in negotiations between UNC Health and Cigna, but still no deal. Today marks 5 days since UNC Health was dropped by Cigna Health Insurance.
WRAL's Sean Gallagher has spoken to a number of people over the last 2 weeks impacted by this. But now town leaders are speaking up about the impacts it's having on communities.
For a town known as the peak of good living, the quality of life in Apex is only as good as the health of its employees, which is why town leaders are so antsy about Cigna and UNC Health striking a new deal.
I am extremely concerned.
This is my work family, and anything like this happens, I don't like it.
A family of more than 800 employees, according to Apex town manager Randy Vosberg.
But we're hopeful that this is a short-term thing.
Are you guys leveraging the power that you have as a town to, try to at least have these voices be heard to get something done?
We are, and we had a meeting with Cigna last week, and they are very aware of our positioning in that relationship.
The town is putting on the pressure because these employees are what make Apex run.
I have police officers, firefighters, members of our public works, electric utilities. These are real people that serve our community every day.
And it's those people, Mayor Jacques Gilbert says, that make this a place people want to live.
They're members of our community, 82,000 residents that depend on, our response with our emergency staff. So we got to take care of the people that take care of us. And again, that includes their families.
UNC Health tells me it continues to negotiate with Cigna, and it remains hopeful that it can reach a new agreement. But the clock is ticking for the people who run the town of Apex.
I think if it goes on into the new year, then that's when those discussions are going to ramp up.
Could it get to a point that the town of Apex would consider a different health insurance provider for its employees?
I think everything's on the table. We'd have to look at our contracts, but that's definitely something that we would be examining.
And a change in the calendar could signal a change in coverage for the town. Sean Gallagher, WRAL News, Apex.
Now, in addition to UNC Health telling WRAL it's continuing negotiations with Cigna, it's also continuing to help patients to avoid any disruptions to their care, including working with them to submit the continuity of care requests with Cigna. So Cigna did not respond, we should mention, to our requests for comment.